Ingenuity is a robotic rotorcraft that is planned to be used to test the technology to scout targets of interest on Mars and help plan the best driving route for future Mars rovers. The small drone helicopter is planned for deployment in the first 30 sols after the landing of the Perseverance rover on 18 February 2021 as part of the NASA Mars 2020 mission. It is planned to make the first powered flight on any planet beyond Earth and is expected to fly up to 5 times during its 30-day test campaign early in the rover's mission, as it is primarily a technology demonstration. Each flight is planned to be at altitudes ranging from 3-5 meters above the ground. In up to 90 seconds per flight, it could travel as far as 50 meters downrange and then back to the starting area. It can use autonomous control during its short flights, although flights will be telerobotically planned and scripted by controllers at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory. It will communicate with the Perseverance rover directly after each landing. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.